Hi guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates of new videos from Swati Life and Style.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to treat under eye dark circles naturally at home. But you need to keep in mind that there are so many different reasons that can cause dark circles. But I am going to show you a remedy that can help you to reduce under eye dark circles no matter what. For this DIY, firstly you will need coffee. Take 1 teaspoon coffee powder. Coffee has anti-inflammatory properties and it also reduces the appearance of blood vessels that helps to reduce dark circles. It also reduces puffiness and it has anti-aging properties as well. Add 1 vitamin E capsule into it. Take 400 mg vitamin E capsule only. Vitamin E has moisturizing and antioxidant properties that helps cell tissues from damage. Now add honey to this mixture. Take only as much as you require to form a paste. Honey has bleaching properties. It also helps to reduce wrinkles and nourishes our skin from within. Now mix it nicely. And then apply this to your under eye area and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. And then wash it off. Do this every alternate day. Doing this every day might be a little harsh. And for sure you will see a huge difference in your dark circles in just 1 week. Do this remedy for 1 to 2 months continuously. So friends, try this at home. Come back and let me know how it worked for you. And I hope you liked this home remedy. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. And please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye.